Hello everybody. This morning we're going to make block number 1 of FatCat Patterns Be Happy block of the month. Right now I'm just fusing the patches, and you see on the layout it shows the order of the patch placement. I like to do mine, like I've said many times before, on a pressing sheet so I can get my patches all ready to go onto the block. I just lay them out. Let's see, 7 flowers. Trying to keep this all in frame for you. Did I get too many? No, I just have to spread them out more. These are going to be big blocks. These are 14.5-inch square blocks. They'll be 14 inches finished. I'm just overlapping these just a smidge. I might spread them out more once I get my center on here. Oh yeah, I can come out more. And I just want to get them, there we go. When I'm happy with that, then I iron them down. Do I have something sticky on there? I think I've got a boob. I need to switch irons. Good grief, what did I get on my iron? It's always something, right? Luckily, I've got my tried and true. Although, sometimes this old iron blows my fuses. This old house doesn't like this old iron. I'll give that a minute to warm up. I like the smaller iron because it doesn't put as much stress on my wrist, but the big one will get the job done. Alright, now this is how I do it. It's not necessarily how you do it. But after I have fused my patches and I peel them off of this, I place them on my pattern sheet. I just love how this peels up. And I've already got my bees made. So see, that's just all held together. So I would take that, lay it like this, and put it on my tray for when I fuse it to the fabric. But I do all my patches first, then I fuse them to the fabric. So that'll be the next step here. Okay, box of bees, here we come. On this one, we want a double bee and a right facing. Why am I missing a double B? I bet I just didn't put enough wings on. Let's see. Do I have spare wings? I thought I had spare wings. Well, you don't see this, but I'm going to take these wings off this bee. And I'm going to, yeah, oh, this bee, he's just falling apart. Let me find another bee. I did make some spare bees. Okay. I'll just have to put his wings on as I go. My goodness. Okay. Center this in here. I want, well, did I make it there? No? Yeah, if I turn it this way, they ought to. Make my leaves line up. Alright, so the double B is going to be flying up from here. Tuck those wings under him. And the other little bee, make sure I got all the paper off. Let me trim him up a smidge. All right. Oh, that just wants to turn up. I don't want it to turn up. I hate getting glue on my iron. Here we go. I'll have to catch that in the stitching. That's an unhappy wing.